Hi, I'm Savage Siren. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing another unboxing. Jorn Unjana? I can't, I did that right. But it is a two-piece toy, adult toy, that attachment to that. So if you're interested in watching me unbox this, make sure you guys stay tuned. And thank you guys for coming in and viewing this already. Hi, I'm Savage Siren, of course. Welcome back. This is gonna be my unboxing video for my Unjana. Oh, if somebody could help me with the pronunciation in that. It's a gift off of my Amazon wish list for my birthday, and I forgot to check my post office box for a little bit. No problem. So I didn't get a chance to actually grab this. It's I have not opened any of this yet. A suction cup attachment. So that is the first part. The second part is the attachment toy that goes on it. It's not, I'm assuming there's other attachment, standard one that came with it, hence the size of the box. This one says check. It's on the directions system. But silicone, it is soft and it's not got any catches. It's super strong. So, wand. Fine size 7. Thrusting settings, 7 vibration heating settings. It is silicone, of course. It's a Type-C charger, which I absolutely love the fact it's a Type-C charger. Size-wise, I can't even, it doesn't even say the size of this. So, and if it does, it's in millimeters, and I'm not mathing. So, this is the attachment part. This is the machine itself. I have not tried it. I haven't turned it on. I opened the box and that was all that I did. It's got a heating, a thrusting mode, and a vibration mode. So I'm assuming there's 7 of each one of these. So that's yeah. And then the attachment slides in. It locks in. You have to twist. Oh, fire. I think I can actually. I will do a video on a different platform of actually testing this out. That way I can do that. Of course, again, like I said, it is a Type-C charger. With a Type-C charger in a small little box, it's all that they. Oh, I shouldn't say that's all they give you. But they give you a Type-C charger. They give you the suction cup part, which looks like it just. You unlock. I don't have anything to try to suction this cup, this very second. But you know what? So it just suction cups. That didn't stay very up to something, but obviously wood's not gonna work. But I'm really excited to try this out, and like I said, I will be doing a trial video of the speed settings and my other platforms where I'm most likely not gonna get in trouble. The best I can probably do is yeah, this sucks. So I will be testing out those and everything else. I appreciate you guys for coming. I know everybody usually enjoys my unboxings the best. As of course, I will be doing a review video for this as well. Hopefully going to be able to do that soon. It just when I have enough alone time to do so. So I appreciate you guys for coming in. I appreciate you guys for viewing this far. If you guys liked my review, make sure you guys what you like about this product, if it's something that you want to see, products you'd like to see in the future. As I appreciate you guys for coming in and showing love. Don't forget to subscribe as well if you haven't already, and there are other unboxing videos on my channel as well. Get those. And I appreciate you guys for coming in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching this far. There's a bunch more content still. If you haven't hit subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn notifications on for all. That way you don't miss anything that I end up dropping. Thank you.